Hello, today I'm working on a mid-2010 MacBook. This is a 13-inch A1342. I think the speakers are going bad. So I'm going to play this intro sound from my YouTube channel and you can hear how bad it sounds, hopefully. Even when it's turned down fairly low, it doesn't sound good at all. So I'm going to shut this down and open it up. I forget what I have to do to open this. Obviously some clips. Okay, there we go. Let's pull straight up. Alright, so the speaker is here. And that's the only speaker in here. So I need to remove this vent cover and then I'll disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna wires. So the speakers, I think this might actually be a module. Let me start opening things up and we'll find out. So it looks like there are 4 screws and then there are some Torx screws as well holding that in. So that's T8 Torx. Very small Phillips head there. It's not glued in there yet. Just a very tight wire loom. Oh, this is the wireless module that's sitting on top of the speaker. I think there might be a screw in here, yeah, for the optical drive. Probably can't see that very well. Let's see if we can get the microscope in here. Right inside there is a screw. That's a weird place to put a screw, and it's going to be really fun to get that out, or to get it back in. Okay, got it out. Very small. So is that the only speaker in this whole thing? So I'm just going to disconnect this speaker by lifting up here on this connector. Very small connector. And I want to do this without putting too much pressure on it, because I've seen these break before. There we go. Now, I'm tempted to turn this on. I want to plug this wireless module back in. And I'm going to turn on the laptop and see, just to make sure there's not another speaker in here that I don't know about. So I'm going to slip this back in place so that I can lay this back down on the speaker. Sorry, yeah, on the speaker. Speaker's disconnected except for the Wi-Fi. Yep, it's starting up with no sound at all. So now I'm going to look for a new speaker. Okay, so the replacement speaker has arrived. It's hard to tell whether it looks any better than the one that's in there now. And it doesn't look bad. It'll be impossible to tell until we put it in. So let's do that. This came with a new ribbon cable, which I think I'm going to take off and use the existing. And this is bent. Oh, the whole speaker's bent. The new one is visibly bent, this bracket, but also the plastic at the end is bent. So if the one that has the bent metal, if I tip it sideways, you can see the speaker housing itself is bent down. So I'm going to straighten that and hope it doesn't break. Just maybe warm that up a little bit before we do this. So that's slightly disappointing, but it's not the worst problem we could have. I just hope this speaker sounds better. Okay, the hard part's done, screwing that screw into there. I think we'll be okay here. Really thought I had it there. And I just need to line up that with that hole. Maybe I'll screw the thing in first. Nah, I'll do this. I think I might need to move this little camera though. Need a finer screwdriver. That worked very well. It sounds better. And the problem solved. Thanks for watching.